Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Adobe Audition CC 2023. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add and remove shortcuts in the Media Browser panel. And to follow along, the workspace that I am using is default. If you don't see the Media Browser panel, just go to the Window menu and check Media Browser. The Media Browser panel works just like Finder on a Mac or Windows Explorer. It just allows you to search your hard drive and directories and find files that you can bring into Audition. So volumes will include your internal hard drive, external hard drives, and network drives. When you select the volume on the left side or select any of the contents on that drive or directory, you'll see the contents appear on the right side. So if you find yourself using the Media Browser and you're always scrolling through trying to find a folder or file, well, you can create a shortcut to give you quick access to that folder, file, or drive. So I want to create a shortcut to my desktop. So any audio files or folders that I have on my desktop, I can quickly access and just drag the files into Audition. So first, I'm just going to twirl open my Macintosh hard drive. I'll twirl open the user folder, and then my home library folder here, and there's where my desktop is located. So I'll select it. Once I click on that desktop folder, I'm going to see everything on the desktop on this right side. And I can just expand this panel here if I want to add a little more room. And to create a shortcut, select the folder or file that you want to create the shortcut for. You can just right click or control click and choose Add Shortcuts. You can also come over here, so Contents is Desktop. If I click on this little plus icon, now I have the option to add shortcut for desktop. I'm going to click, and if I come over to this left side, the second section is for shortcuts, so any shortcut you created will be added here. And now when you go to the Media Browser, you can come right to your shortcuts. I'll click on Desktop, and now I will see everything on my desktop. I will see all the files. I can just click and drag it right into Audition. And to remove a shortcut at any time, just select it in the shortcut section, right click or control click, remove shortcuts. You can also click on the plus icon, remove shortcut for desktop. And you can also add multiple shortcuts at the same time. So I have my home folder selected. I can press the desktop. I have my command key pressed. I can select any other folder. I can click on the plus icon, add shortcut for selected folders. Now when I go to the shortcut section, all of those drives are in my shortcuts. And that is how to add shortcuts for quick access to your internal, external, and network drive files and folders. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.